In this video, I have some bullish news for the quant price because right now it looks like the quant price has formed yet another bullish pattern right here in the 4-hourly time frame, which I'll dive deep into in today's video. But before I begin, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to consider subscribing to the channel. It only takes like 2 seconds of your time and it really means a lot to me. So begin. So right now we are in the 4-hourly time frame, and again, I have spotted yet another bullish pattern, which I'll talk about right now. But before we do that, let's have a quick recap of my previous video. We have spotted this first bullish pattern, this inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is a bullish reversal pattern to the upside. This is the neckline, and I said a break above the neckline is going to be really bullish for the quant price. I mentioned the targets right here. Let me reiterate the target. And if we do break above the neckline, that's going to be a pump towards $153. That's the target of this inverse head and shoulders pattern if we do a break above this neckline right here. But again, I said a failure to break above the neckline will invalidate this inverse head and shoulders pattern. That's also one warning. But right now I just spotted a new bullish pattern right here. Let me just take out all of these stuff so you guys can see or have a clearer view of it. It looks like the quant price in the 4-hourly time frame has formed this ascending triangle, which is, by the way, a bullish pattern. So meaning there's a higher chance that we could break to the upside right here rather than to the downside. And right now we are closely approaching the apex of the triangle. So meaning in a couple of hours, we could see a massive move for the quant price that's going to take us to prices right here above. So what is the target of this ascending triangle? So right now I'm going to mention the target. If we measure the move from here and place it to the point of breakout, the expected target, if we actually do breakout of this ascending triangle, is a pump towards 145 US dollars right here. That is the target of this ascending triangle in the 4-hourly time frame. So as you guys can see, in the 4-hourly time frame, we're seeing the first bullish pattern, which is this inverse head and shoulders pattern, a bullish reversal pattern, and then this next ascending triangle. So two bullish patterns have formed in the 4-hourly time frame, which is very convincing to me that we may have probably already made the bottom right here, and now we're basically gearing up for higher prices. Of course, I'm not saying that this is guaranteed. Of course, there's a chance we could fall back to the downside right here. But guys, remember, this trend line right here has been acting as a resistance for a long period of time. For this entire pullback right here, it has been acting as a resistance, and we broke out of this trend line, indicating a potential trend reversal to the upside and beginning a new uptrend. So this is a good sign. It looks like things are starting to reverse for the quant price, because again, we have formed the first bullish pattern, this inverse head and shoulders pattern. Next is this ascending triangle, and we have also broken out of the trend line. So these three signals combined might be indicating that we are seeing a potential trend reversal and a beginning of a new uptrend, which in my opinion is pretty bullish if you ask me. So just wait for confirmation. Obviously, I'm not saying this is guaranteed. There's a chance we could fall back to lower prices, so watch out for that. If we ever get rejected by resistance right here, because this is resistance, if we ever get rejected, expect the quant price to fall back to support right here at around 125 US dollars until 123 US dollars. And if we lose the support zone, then the next target is 116 US dollars. If you guys want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, then don't forget to sign up and Bybit using my affiliate link, and you guys can get up to $30,000 in bonus as well as 0 fees. This is for experienced traders only, and don't forget to join my Discord server where I post daily market signals and updates to my videos.